Welcome to the wonderful world of lash lifts. Thank you for enrolling in this Learn About Beauty course. We're super pleased you're here. In this course, you'll learn how to deliver traditional lash lifts as well as Korean lash lifts on every single client perfectly. A traditional lift is a modernized and safe version of a lash perm, and it's a process where the natural lashes are treated with safe chemical solutions, bringing out the curl and lift in the natural lashes. The procedure involves lifting and gluing the lashes onto silicone shields, and placing a lifting solution onto the lashes, followed by a setting solution, and usually ending with a tint and a nourishing treatment. The procedure takes about 45 minutes and lasts anywhere from 4 to 12 weeks depending on the person's lash cycle. Korean lift is an advanced technique which originated in South Korea, but you couldn't figure that out. It's known for its ability to lift and enhance natural lashes without the use of glue, hence it's also known as the glueless lash lift. The methods aim to achieve a more natural, long-lasting lift, which is gentler in the processing steps than the traditional lash lifting techniques. The owners of Learn About Beauty have been delivering beauty training for well over a decade now throughout the world. One thing we've noticed numerous times is that if a student really understands why things work, the science, then they're more capable in their ability to control their beauty service, fix problems which arise, and come up with solutions and new informed ways to do things. This is why we teach you the science of beauty treatments, but in a simple and easy to understand way. We want you to be an amazing technician. Upon signing up for this course, you would have been assigned a live trainer. They're there to help you with anything you may need to complete your course. They eagerly await your lessons, so get cracking on them. If you run into any problems or if you have any questions, then please reach out to them. We're always here to help you to get through your course and be successful in the beauty industry. Call, text, or email us anytime. You also have lifetime access to this course, so you can come back and refer to it anytime. Your trainer that will take you through your Lash Lift online course will be Master Trainer Derek Hayes, who is also the co-owner and founder of Learn About Beauty.
Welcome, you beautiful thing, to the Learn About Beauty Lash Lift course. We're going to be covering lash lift in its entirety. Now, there are two main popular ways to do a lash lift, and that is traditional lash lift and a glueless lash lift, also known as Korean lash lift. Now, you probably already know what lash lift is, but in case you don't, here's what it is. Your client wants dramatic, curled, beautiful lashes, and she either doesn't want or can't get lash extensions. So what we do is we apply some chemicals to the lashes. After 45 minutes to an hour, she's got beautiful, curled, dark, dramatic lashes, exactly what she's after. We're going to be doing a deep dive into all the chemicals, all the tools needed for you to get excellent results on all of your clients. Now, we could just sit here and tell you what the names of the chemicals are, show you a few lash lifts, but we're built different. We want you to know exactly what's going on. We want you to know how the chemicals work, why we use those chemicals, the different options that you have, all the tools, all the options you have there. We want you to fully understand the science behind it so that you know why you do something. If something goes wrong, because you have a full understanding of the science behind lash lifting and the techniques used, then you can handle those problems as they come up. If you're watching social media and you see some new technique, you know instantly if it's true or not, or if it's just some opinion. And there's a lot of opinions when it comes to the beauty space. So we're aiming to arm you with all the knowledge that you need in order to make informed decisions and get the best results in your clients. Let's go.
With a traditional lash lift, the steps are: prep the lashes, apply gel pads and shield, glue the lashes to the shield, apply step 1, process and remove, apply step 2, process and remove, optional, apply tint, process and remove the shield, apply step 3, process and remove. Average application time, 45 to 60 minutes. With a Korean lash lift, the steps are: prep the lashes, apply the gel pads,
Mix glueless glue powder and step 1 together. Apply by brushing down onto the gel pads, process and remove. Choose the right size shield and apply. Mix glueless glue powder and step 2 together. Apply onto the lash shield, process and remove. Optional, apply tint, process and remove. Remove shield. Apply step 3, process and remove. Average application time, 30 to 45 minutes. One of the major differences is that you are not using traditional lift glue at all in your Korean lift process. Instead, you're mixing glueless powder with your steps. This has various advantages, but the main one being that the traditional lift glue can act as a barrier between your step 1, step 2, and the natural lashes, resulting in over or under processing, steps not being as effective and potential damage to the natural lashes. There are a few other differences and pros and cons, which we will go over later in this course.
So have fun in this Lash Lift course. We look forward to seeing your amazing lifts. Tag us on the socials. Remember, if you ever need any additional assistance, even after you've graduated from this course, we're always here to help.